Chivalry is dead, and simping killed it. Hi, I'm Lamar, and this is the Scarlet Effect. Today, we're dissecting the toxic trend of simping, what it is, why it's scientifically counterproductive to attraction, and how to cultivate genuine self-respect. First, let's define simping. We're not talking about basic politeness or genuine acts of kindness. We're talking about excessive, often performative, displays of affection and admiration towards someone, typically a woman, in the hope of gaining romantic or sexual attention, with little to no reciprocation. It's the nice guy trope dialed up to 11, and it's relationship poison. So, what's wrong with being nice? The problem isn't the niceness, it's the underlying motivation. Simping is rooted in neediness, insecurity, and a lack of self-worth. It's a transaction. I'll shower you with attention and gifts so you'll like me. Now, let's dive into the science. From an evolutionary perspective, women are biologically wired to seek partners who possess traits like confidence, status, and resources. These qualities signal an ability to protect and provide, which were crucial for survival and reproduction. When you're simping, you're signaling the opposite: insecurity, neediness, and a lack of self-respect. This is confirmed by modern psychological research into attraction. The halo effect plays a role here. Individuals who are perceived as possessing positive qualities, confidence, social intelligence, humor, are more likely to be seen as attractive in general. Simping often undermines these positive perceptions, leading to lower attraction levels. Scarcity is another crucial element in attraction. People want what they can't easily have. When you're constantly available and eager to please, you're essentially devaluing yourself. You're broadcasting that your time and attention are worthless. Now let's talk about the impact on the woman you're simping for. While the initial attention might be flattering, it quickly becomes suffocating. Genuine attraction is built on mutual respect, shared interests, and a sense of equality. Simping creates an imbalance of power, which is ultimately unattractive. It also puts a lot of pressure on the woman to reciprocate, which can lead to guilt, resentment, and ultimately rejection. Simping can foster a toxic dynamic where women in question can begin to take advantage, with a low amount of respect in the equation. But this isn't about blaming women. This is about empowering men to cultivate genuine self-respect and build healthy relationships. So, how do you break the cycle of simping? 1. Cultivate self-worth. This isn't about arrogance. It's about recognizing your value as a person, regardless of romantic validation. Invest in your passions, pursue your goals, and build a life you're proud of. 2. Establish boundaries. Learn to say no. Your time and energy are valuable. Don't be afraid to prioritize your own needs and interests. 3. Communicate authentically. Express your feelings honestly, but without expectation. Don't try to manipulate or guilt trip someone into liking you. 4. Focus on mutual connection. Genuine relationships are built on shared interests, mutual respect, and authentic connection. Don't try to buy someone's affection. Build a real connection. 5. Elevate yourself. Begin working out, earning more money, and improving your social circle. People are naturally attracted to those who are continuously improving. This isn't about becoming a jerk. It's about becoming a confident, self-respecting individual who values themselves and seeks genuine connection with others. It's about shifting your focus from seeking external validation to cultivating internal worth. Here's your challenge. For the next week, identify one area where you might be engaging in simping behavior and commit to changing it. It could be setting a boundary, speaking your mind, or simply investing in yourself. If this video hit home for you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs to hear it. And if you want more real talk about attraction and self-improvement, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. Your future self will thank you. This is Lamar, and you've been watching The Scarlet Effect. Remember, genuine attraction isn't about chasing. It's about becoming someone worth chasing. Invest in yourself, respect yourself, and let attraction happen naturally.